Oil is down to $103 a barrel from $105 as tensions in the Ukraine have eased. Tom Reilly, is this how it is for oil? As the Ukraine goes, so goes the price of oil?
Well, certainly last week we had the aggressions in the Ukraine from Russia, and oil spiked up almost $3. We've pulled back from there as Putin has been rather conciliatory, and there's been no real bloodshed there between the two armies. Certainly if there is any kind of real fighting over there, we will see oil spike higher along with gold and natural gas. But right now we're kind of looking for oil to trade back in its normal range. We'll probably get back down to a $100 level where we'll see some good support and see what happens once we reach that at $100 level.
What about natural gas? We're hearing about stockpiling in places like Bulgaria. Because the threat still is elevated, what's your outlook for natural gas?
Yeah, I think the Europeans are kind of very dependent on Russian natural gas, so those prices in the European side of natural gas have remained higher than they have here over on the States. The natural gas we trade here doesn't get exported as much, so I think it'll certainly put a floor as to how much we might sell off, but we're not really seeing a spike in the natural gas prices like they're seeing in Europe.
Speaking of natural gas, finally, we're getting a little bit of warmth here on the East Coast, which is quite nice. So when we start trading back to weather patterns and the economy, what's your outlook for natural gas here in the U.S.?
Well, we look for the April contract to remain above $4.25. It could get up as high as $5 even. It does look like the worst of the winter is beyond us now, or behind us now. So we're looking for natural gas to trade a little bit lower here, but probably between April between the $4.25 and $5 range. Beyond that, we'd look for a very quiet May and probably June contract until we get into the heat of summer, in which case we'll see it pick back up again.
Boy, I can't wait for that heat. Thanks a lot, Tom.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching The Street.